Explore connectivity solutions that help HVAC systems withstand harsh environments. Today's residential and commercial buildings face an array of environmental threats, and that means a durable HVAC system should be able to survive a range of harsh environments from both inside and outside. Dust, debris, extreme weather, current shock, and a high vibration environment are just some of the factors which threaten the efficiency and performance of your system. These harsh environments can lead to component failures, thus reducing comfort and increasing costs. But how can HVAC design engineers ensure their systems are ready to withstand such conditions? The answer is TE Connectivity. Our products offer extra locking mechanisms with TPA and CPA, varying degrees of IP-rated ceiling protection from IP64-rated splash-proof to IP67-rated waterproof protection, corrosion resistance and insertion wear resistance with our gold plating options, and resistance to high current shock with silver plating options. We test our products rigorously, simulating a number of harsh environmental scenarios to ensure our connectors can weather a wide range of potential risks, such as thermal shock, condensation, humidity, and other harsh conditions. We also undertake electrical and mechanical tests to ensure every component is highly durable. TE's products provide everything you need to design durable HVAC systems fit for today's thriving market. Learn more at www.te.com/HVAC.